This function is going to take a look at the OR function, in which we will nest within the IF function. Our goal here is to determine if the title managers, all managers, and any employee hired before January 1st, 2012 will receive 3 weeks vacation. All others will receive 2 weeks. We'll begin in cell F5 by typing the IF function, and our logical test is going to be within the OR function. The OR function tests different logical tests. If one or the other logical test is true, it will complete the true answer. If both logical tests are false, it will then do the false answer. So our first logical test is to determine if B5 equals our title manager in C2. I'm going to make that cell absolute because we're going to copy it down. My next logical test is to determine if the hire date in cell C5 is less than the hire date we require, January 1st, 2012, which is located in C3. I want to make that absolute. I'm going to finish my OR, so if one or the other logical test is true, then we're going to put in the cell 3 weeks. If both of those tests are false, we will then put in 2 weeks. I'll accept the formula. I'll copy it down. And as you can see, the first person is getting 3 weeks vacation because both tests are true. The next person is getting 3 weeks vacation. He's not a manager, he's an account rep. However, his hire date is before January 1st, 2012. We come down to the fourth person. They only get 2 weeks because they are not a manager, and they also were not hired before January 1st, 2012. And that's how the OR function works. If we would come up here and change the hire date and say, no, it wasn't employees hired before January 1st, 2012, it was those hired before January 1st, 2011, you can see that then this person down here would only get 2 weeks vacation because he was hired after January 1st, 2011.